Hello folks, I've got a seatbelt here that's twisted. You might have a similar problem. You can see that the seatbelt down at the bottom is twisted. You can see that the seatbelt is facing the wrong direction when it's up here. So first thing you want to do is just pull this till it stops, and I'm going to show you why. If you pull this out to the stop like that, yeah, now it's nice and firm there because you're going to be pulling against that. So what I've done here is I've twisted it here, twisted this part like that. And then I'm just going to take the outside of the seatbelt and pull it down over it until I have the twist starting. You can see up there, it's now bent over on the top side. So that's good, you don't want to lose that. You're going to keep pulling down on the seatbelt, and you're going to keep moving this flap, this part further this way. See how it's going more? I just want to keep doing that. And that's where you got to pull a little bit hard on this thing. Not too hard, but see how it's going there? Just keep pulling. We're almost through. Look at that, we're almost done. Done. We have untwisted the seatbelt. Now it's exactly the way it should be. Remember, it was facing in there. It's flat here, flat there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if this is helpful.